Hello all. Today we will be cutting a rubber tire into two parts with a hand grinder. Please ensure that you put some weights at the bottom of your tire so that it doesn't move when you split it. If the hand grinder gets hot from continuous use, do not forget to give it a small break. While the rubber in the tire cuts through easily, be cautious of the sharp metal wires inside the tire, as they are difficult to cut. As you can see, it produces a spark upon cutting. There you have it. Your tire is now split into two. Thanks for watching.